Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up the Mercusys MW300RE Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're looking to eliminate dead zones or expand your Wi-Fi coverage to all corners of your home, this guide makes it simple. From connecting to the extender's default network to configuring it through the web interface, we cover everything you need to get it up and running. Follow along to enjoy seamless, extended internet coverage in just a few minutes. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the Mercusys MW300RE Wi-Fi extender box, you'll find the MW300RE extender unit itself, which features a compact design with 3 adjustable external antennas. The box also includes a quick installation guide to help with the setup process. There's no additional hardware required, as the unit plugs directly into a standard power outlet. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the MW300RE into a power outlet in a location where your existing Wi-Fi signal is strong, but near the area with weaker coverage. Ensure it's within range of your router. Using your smartphone or computer, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, named something like Mercusys_RE_XXXXXX. No password should be needed at this point. Open a browser and type in the default IP address, http://mwlogin.net or 192.168.0.254. This will bring you to the Mercusys login page. Set up a password for future logins. Once logged in, you'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your existing Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi network password when prompted. Confirm the settings, and the extender will reboot. Once the extender connects successfully to your Wi-Fi network, you can unplug it and place it in the desired location where you need a stronger signal, ensuring it is still within range of the router. After the setup, reconnect your devices to the new extended network, which may have the same or a slightly altered name depending on the settings you chose. Test the internet connection to confirm it's working properly. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.